everyone. My name is Uma Bharatidi. I am the placement coordinator of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of 2021 batch. Today we will be discussing some questions on cause and effect. In cause and effect, basically you will be given two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Now either of the statements can be the cause or an effect. To identify which is the cause and which is the effect, I have some clues for you. So whenever a statement is a cause, it usually dictates a problem or describes a situation. And whenever a statement is an effect, it usually seems like it is describing some consequence of something. So when it seems like it's a consequence of something, it's an effect. Now based on the statements, which is cause, which is effect, if both are effects of the same cause, we have some options here. So two statements will be given. There may be the cause or effect. There may be a cause or effect relationship between the two statements. These two statements may be the effect of the same cause or independent causes. These statements may have independent causes without having a relationship. So option 1 says statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. Option 2 says statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is the effect. Option 3 says both statement 1 and 2 are effects of independent causes. Option 4 says both statements 1 and 2 are effects of same common cause. Option 5 says both are causes and two independent causes. So let's discuss problems now. The first one. The Local Traders Association urged all its members to close down the shop for a day and protest against the government. Now this definitely describes a situation. So statement 1 is definitely a cause. Many shopkeepers decided to close down their shops for the day, so they gave their employees a day off. Now this seems to be an effect of something, but here you can focus on the word the, which means the speaking about this day only, the day they decided to go on the protest. So this statement is the cause, this statement is the effect. And since they go hand in hand, option 1 is the answer. So this is how you answer cause and effect questions. Let's see question 2. The university authority has decided to conduct all terminal examinations in April every year to enable them to declare results in time. Now this definitely is a situation. There has been a considerable delay in declaring results in the past due to a shortage of teachers evaluating answer sheets of the exam conducted in the university. Now this describes a problem. So both seem to be causes, and since there is no effect mentioned, we can mark option 5 here for this answer, which says both statements are independent causes, which is the case here. Let's see the next question now. The staff of airport authorities called off the strike they were observing in protest against privatization. Now this seems to be an effect, and the reason for calling off the strike is not known. The staff went on a strike anticipating a threat to their jobs. Again, they went on a strike, but the reason is not known. So both are effects, but we don't know if they're related. So the answer here is option 3. They may be the effects of independent causes. Next question. The prices of petroleum products have dropped marginally last week. Now this seems like an effect of something. Let's see statement 2. The state government reduced tax on petroleum products last week. Okay, they go hand in hand. And statement 2 seems to be the cause and statement 1 seems to be the effect. So the answer here is option 2. Let's see the next question now. Many people visited the religious places during the weekend. Few people visited the religious place during the weekdays. Now both seem to go hand in hand, and they both seem to be related because they seem to be effects of something. And they seem to share a common cause. So the answer here is option 4. They are the effects of some common cause. Next question. Prices of vegetables have been increased considerably during this summer. Okay, this is definitely an effect. And let's see statement 2. There is a tremendous increase in temperature during the summer and this has been damaging to the crops. Okay, this describes the situation. So this is a cause. Obviously, this being the cause and this being the effect. The answer here is statement 2. Next question. Majority of the citizens in the locality belong to higher income group. Okay. The sales in the local supermarket is comparatively much higher than that in the other localities. Here it's an easy question. Statement 1 is the cause, and because of the higher income group in the locality, the supermarket sales boosted. So here the answer is option 1 again. The aim of the civic authorities is to get the air pollution reduced by 20% in the next 2 months. Okay, they seem to be working on something. So that seems like a consequence. The number of asthma cases in the city is constantly increasing. Now this poses a problem. So here also it is a case wherein this is the cause, and because the asthma cases started increasing in the city, the civic authorities decided to act on it. So the answer here is again option 2. Next question. The school has asked class 10 students to attend special classes on Sundays. Okay. The parents have withdrawn their wards from attending private tuitions on Sundays. Here, this seems to be the situation, and this seems to be the effect of the situation. So the answer here is option 1. Next question. There is a sharp decline in production of oil seeds this year. Okay, that is definitely a situation being described. So this is a cause. The government has decided to increase import of edible oil. Okay, so the government is acting on the same problem with the effect. Here the answer is option 1. Let's see the next question. All the schools in the area decided to be closed for most part of the week. Now this seems to be because of something, so it's an effect. Many parents have withdrawn their children from local schools. Now this is also an effect, but the cause is not known and they may be independent. Hence the answer here is option 3. So that is all for the cause and effect questions. Hope you understood the solutions. Thank you.